Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals, checking out the items that I've found for this week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. So all of these will have their own independent link down in the description for you guys, so it's really easy to find. I have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Those links are going to take you to a long list of items that I've went over in the past or other items that I suggest. So that's all there for you. A lot of really cool items on those lists. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. We like to release these videos every Friday, and then I have a lot of other content throughout the week, whether it's GR86 car related or other tool reviews, things like that. Lots of content, so make sure to check it out. But first up on today's list is the Malco Connect set. This is going to be the Connect 1, 2, and 3. They're quick change nut driver sets. Basically all just different sizes, and then one is ratcheting. And I thought this was a really cool set. I only have a couple tools from Malco, but I really enjoy them. I don't have this set. My buddy does use these in the shop and he really enjoys them, so I figured I'd share them with you guys. Or if you guys have personally used these, please let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. This is the only image that we have. You can see you got a stubby with the quick change. They all have the quick change on them. Kind of your classic acetate handle design. So you got your stubby, you got kind of your standard to mid-size screwdriver, and then you got your full size with the ratcheting and kind of an extended neck or blade on there. And this is at $38. So, you know, it's roughly $12.50, $13 per piece, which I don't think is priced bad at all. I really like this design. You can also, they have other options as well. If you just want to go with the stubby, it's $16. The normal size is $14. The ratcheting one is $18. Or you can get a bunch of stubbies for $64. I don't know what that's about, but that's an option. But this has 4.8 stars, 2,403 ratings. Next up, we are looking at the Mayhew Tools micro screwdriver. I don't know why it's called that, because you really don't have many screwdrivers in here. It's a 14-piece micro tool set, really. This one comes in the EVA foam with the American flag. These are made in the USA. Slotted Phillips hooks, picks, mini pry bars, and Torx. I always thought this was a really cool set. If I didn't already have the Tecton versions of basically all of these, I would definitely get this set. It is a little bit on the pricey side at $82, but there is a coupon price that brings it down to $73.73. But I do like this handle design. It's very similar to the Tecton with a little bit of texturing and grooving that you don't get with the Tecton. So I don't think it's a bad deal. I think it's a good handle design. I like what's included, but please share your thoughts down in the comments. Is it a good deal at the $73.73? This has 4.4 stars, 17 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Dewalt 20 volt max cutoff tool. I've had this tool for a couple years now, and originally I almost bought the Milwaukee, and that's when I was starting to hear word about Dewalt releasing one. If you guys don't know, I run the Dewalt 20 volt lineup and the Milwaukee M12 lineup. So I almost purchased the Milwaukee M12 cutoff tool. Then I was hearing words of this being a possibility, so I held off, and when they released it, I jumped on it. I paid way more than this for mine. I think I almost paid that list price. Mine might have been like $180 or $190. I can't remember for sure, but absolutely fantastic tool. I've used the Milwaukee M12 one, and while it's fantastic, this one is much more powerful. I like the design, the overall shape and build of this. You get 3 different blades with it. You get your little blade shroud. You got your hookup for, you know, a shop vac. Overall, really, really impressed with this little cutoff tool. I had to cut up some bumpers with. I mean, I've used this thing way more than I thought I would just here at home, and absolutely love this thing. This is at $124, and it has 4.6 stars, 3,053 ratings. Next up is the Swan Lake 18-piece no-spill coolant funnel kit. This is basically identical, or maybe a little bit of an upgrade from the OEM Tools one that I own. I really like what this set includes and how it's set up. I think this one would actually work a little bit better than mine, honestly. Just with the way mine connects, I end up getting leaking. I like how mine are all press fit together. These actually screw together, so everything's kind of sealed a little bit better at the connection points, which I really like. They include a couple funnels, a couple radiator cap adapters, and then you can put whatever fitting you need inside of it. So a really good assortment here. There you can see the cap adapters. I also like this valve that they have on this one, where mine is a plunger. This one's just a valve that's built into the bottom, so I really like that design. They really are handy when dealing with coolant, because it's funny enough, I would rather deal with gear oil and brake fluid. Coolant is my least favorite chemical to deal with on cars, honestly. I don't know why. It's sticky, can't stand the smell. Not a big fan of coolant, but somehow it's the one fluid that I always end up getting on myself. But I think this is a really nice set, 18-piece set. Original list price of $25. It's down to $23, so a couple dollars worth of savings. And it has 4.6 stars, 1,654 ratings. Next up, one of my favorite things to mention ever since I first started purchasing them, I don't know, 6 years ago or so, just solder wire connectors. This is one of the brands that I've purchased in the past. I've tried out, I don't know, probably 4 or 5 different brands. Ever since I first started using them, I realized how much I like them and just have used them. Anytime I can use them, I'll use them over a standard style crimp, especially when I'm building like a wiring harness and not just like installing a head unit. These aren't great for every situation, especially if you're in a really compact, tight area. You can't really get in there with your heat gun and do it, but it's easier than breaking out the soldering iron or the soldering gun and going about it that way. So it all just depends on what I'm building, where it's going to be, kind of the access that I have. But anytime I can, I'll use these solder butt connectors. Just fantastic. The connection's nice and strong. They got a watertight seal on them. This is a 150-piece set, so if you just wanted to start out with a small set like this, see if you like them. Don't use a lighter on them. You end up just melting the heat shrink, basically. Use a heat gun, hit the center, and kind of work your way around it. And then once it starts to melt, you can start to work your way outwards and seal it all off. Once you get it down, it's extremely easy. You get multiple different sizes here for different gauge wires, as you can see up here. And if you just want to try them out, this is $10, down from $13 for 150 of them. That's not bad at all. And they have tons of other size sets as well. If you guys have ever used these, let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments, but I'm a big fan of them whenever I can use them. 4.5 stars, 18,761 ratings. Next one up is the Knipex Cobra Pliers set. This is the 2-piece set at under $70, down from a typical price of $72.62. So a little bit of savings on that. And the Cobras are just a phenomenal set of pliers. Not only is Knipex one of the best brand pliers out there, but the Cobras are one of the best designs out there. And if you haven't tried Knipex, you can try out the twin grip. I mean, you can literally try out any of them, whatever you can find on sale. And if it's a pair of pliers that you think you use on a regular basis, go ahead and give them a try. It'll be well worth it. Knipex makes some fantastic pliers, and the Cobras are phenomenal. Here you're getting the 7 and 10, I believe it is. Size is the 180. The last 3 digits are going to be the size. You have your push button lock, multiple different positions, nice dual opposing teeth, very good at grabbing and turning. You got fine teeth up at the front and at the back. Just all around a great set of pliers. Anytime you can catch any Knipex on sale, it's definitely well worth it, especially if you're one that uses pliers on a regular basis. This set, under $70, 4.9 stars, 3,078 ratings. Last one up is the Nebo Edge 2K Pocket Light. So at first I saw Nebo pop up in Walmart, and I thought they were just I thought they looked cool, but I was like, nah, it's just another Walmart brand flashlight. And then after a year or two, I started looking into them, and they have a lot of really, really cool flashlights, and the build quality on a lot of them are really impressive. Now, they do have their cheaper stuff, and I think you can find that in Walmart, but they also have their higher end stuff. They have different tiers, and I thought this was a really cool design. I don't have personal experience with this specific one, but I really do like its design. It is rechargeable. It's nice and low profile. It's thin, impact resistant, water resistant, USB-C rechargeable. It does have a strobe feature. There you can see the pocket clip on the back side. A nice, easy to operate turn dial for operation. I like that they kept it simple. yet it's very kind of unique in the design. There you can see the charging port, tactical grip, IPX6 water resistant, defensive strobe. I just thought this was a really cool design. They do have a new version that's at $65. This one's at $58.49, down from $70. The new one's $70 down to $65. I tried looking at them. I don't know what the difference is. I don't know if, well, I thought at first maybe one was the old USB charging port and the new one was USB-C, but I don't see anything different with them. But Nebo has a ton of different lights. Like here's the Nebo Slim Mini Rechargeable Pocket Light, 250 lumens, so not quite as bright. 2 light modes. This one's at $20. You can also get one with a UV light. I mean, tons of different designs. And they also have larger flashlights as well. But I thought this was a really cool design. I really liked it. It had a lot of good positive reviews. At $58.50, it's pushing it, but I own quite a few flashlights, probably 20 flashlights, and this is definitely one that I'm considering. So this one has 4.7 stars, 172 ratings. That is it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, all of these are linked down in the description for you guys with those 2 additional links. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.